Hey guys, and welcome to day 37 of the 40 days of pores. This is yesterday's dried result, and I really love it. I love the gold sheen that's over it. It's actually like almost rose gold right here, and then shifts into like gold. And then we got like this turquoisey gold going on right here, and this cosmos. Oh, I just love this so much. And for today, what we are going to be doing is a technique I kind of came up with. I don't think I've seen anybody do anything kind of like this. I mean, I know I've seen canvases dipped together, but what I do is a lot of times I'll do a pour and then I have just a little bit like left in the cup, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to waste that paint, and the paint is so beautiful. You always know that the bottom of the cup is so beautiful. So what I did is I made like a little mock. It's kind of full, but I just kind of put one of each color of the light green permanent, quinacridone magenta, and the cadmium yellow deep hue, and then a layer of the black that has silicone in it. And then I have painted this canvas with the black that has silicone in it, and these colors do not, except just the black that's in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drip this around the canvas kind of randomly. And then I'm also just gonna come in with the same colors and just kind of, you know, put it in there. Alright. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this canvas and kiss it, dip it, however you want to call it. I like the name of Canvas Kiss. And then I take a card to make sure that I'm getting, you know, the paint evenly spread around. And then the Oreo part of it, the Oreo Swipe part of it, is you're just gonna twist it like you would to get an Oreo open. And then pull apart. And it produces like this crazy effect where you can get like double, like 2 paintings out of one thing. But like I said, I should have swirled it around more with the card. That's why we've got some empty spots right here. But I just kind of come in and pull those in because I don't like stretching it too much, because I don't want to lose like the cool cells that I just got with this, and I will show you guys that. And I can even just like come in and like take the rest of this cup and fill those spots in. Okay, I am going to bring you guys in for a close-up because that's really where the magic's at. Okay, here we are for our close-up, and there is a lot to see because the cells that this makes is just crazy, and you don't even like really see it until you get up close. And like there's just so much to see in each one of these, and it's so cool. Like if you wanted to have like a painting that kind of matched the other one but not exactly, this would be so perfect for that. I'm just trying to show you guys everything. This was just the first piece. I'm getting like a total like Halloween vibe from this, like flames, just crazy. This looks so awesome to me. Right here looks like a freaking skull. That looks so awesome. I love this so much. And then we got like this butterfly like flower thingy. There's so much going on in this. I can't get over it. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.